13-mile mark. Heading up to the pass. Really scenic train trestle here. Four to 5 miles from the summit. I'm feeling really good. Couple miles from the summit now. Will take us through the avalanche shelter. Feeling really good. Yeah, really beautiful vista here. Here at the pass. Beautiful day. Temperature is fantastic. This was the best I've done coming up here. I feel really good getting up here, time-wise and effort-wise. Felt like I just flew up here. 22.5 pound bike. That's the lightest bike I've been using. The last road bike was 22.5 and this one here is 22.5 pounds. Yeah, it's, all the other bikes I've used previously were 10 pounds heavier. So, yeah, just flying up here. Lights on. Oh. Here we go. Woo! Woo woo! Woo woo! Okay. Through the tunnel. We're on the east side of the pass. Really a cool breeze. Super chill. You have a headwind going into the tunnel. Really chilly right now. Really cold. Ooh. West side of the pass. This Schwinn is absolutely incredible. It's a fantastic bike. It's a cyclocross bike. It's a Fastback, and it's a Schwinn. But it's crazy. Has a hollow crank, Shimano 105 derailleur,
double or twin spoked rear and front wheels. Cantilever brakes, but that's pretty common for cyclocross. You get extra clearances with that. Crane Creek headset. Aluminum chain rings up front. I have flats on it right now. I haven't decided on which way I'm going to go on this bike. It weighs 22.5 pounds. I'm running 32 millimeter tires. They're Maxxis Refuse.
All right, let's stoke it. Let's stoke the fire. Let's see if we can crush the ride down. We'll go through the avalanche shelter because we always do. And it's pretty much the same going down as it is going up. But it's here, so let's do it. Alright, back on the trail. Pick it back up. Back up to speed. At the 4.5 mile trestle, doing pretty good. I'm hitting it 50% of the time and then not, but I can't put full power down all the time. Only 50% of the time can I hit full power, but I'm keeping my speed up though. Another scenic train trestle. Beautiful day. The ride's going pretty good. I can't pedal full power all the way down. I have to oscillate the power. And I think I have a headwind that I have to deal with. So I gotta stay pretty aero when it really gets strong. So here we are at Rattlesnake Lake doing the closing segment of this weekend's bike ride. We went up to the pass and through the tunnel. Usually it's a 56-mile round trip bike ride. The Schwinn, it's surprising how well that bike is performing for a department store bike. It's pretty incredible. 22.5 pounds, mixed Shimano 105 group set, hollow crank. Yeah, I think I crushed my time. I don't think I was faster going downhill than the recumbent bikes. I think the recumbent bikes are still faster going downhill. I'll have to check and see. But the weight difference between the recumbent bikes and this cyclocross bike is just uncomparable on how much easier it is to pedal uphill on this bike. Okay, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.